Hey everybody, this is Julian down at Contender Bicycles in Salt Lake City, Utah. And today I would like to talk to you about the new 2014 Pinarello Marvel Easy Fit. This is replacing the Pinarello FP Quattro, and it sits right below the Paris frame. This is made with their 30.1K carbon fiber, which is very stiff and very efficient. The Marvel, especially compared to the Dogma and the Prince, is going to be a little more comfortable with that lighter weave. This also comes for the 14 editions in the Think 2 system. So in the derailleurs and where you have the cables exiting the frame, you have the options to go with wires for mechanical versions or to go with internal wiring for your Di2, just by replacing the plugs that come in the frame. Most of these models come with Ultegra and the most handlebar stem and brakes, and they're going for a really good price. Feel free to come by the shop and check them out. Thanks for watching.